Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Intelligent people know that language does matters and words are impactful and powerful. That's why they are really careful while choosing words. They always speak with care and will make sure of appropriate usage of words. Our words choices can leave a positive and negative impact on others. Our words will determine how others will perceive us as an individual. So, smart people always choose words wisely. Here are 8 phrases intelligent people never say. Number 1 is I have a higher IQ. Smart people will never say this phrase. They don't need validation from others, so they never say phrase like this. Such phrases are always said by someone who has a lack of self-confidence and seek validation from others. Smart people don't brag about their accomplishments and achievements. People acknowledge their achievements. Such statements and phrases shows arrogance of an individual. Number 2, it's not fair. Smart people know that life isn't fair, so they will never say such phrases. Rather, they stick on the facts, stay constructive, and leave their interpretation out of it. Saying such phrase may make you look naive and immature, so always be logical and avoid mistakes, accept your shortcomings and work on them to improve them. Try to strengthen the area you need to work on. Number 3 is it's not my fault. Smart people always accept their faults. They have a tendency to be accountable for their wrong decisions and never blame others for things that didn't work out. They own their mistakes and try to give explanation of things how they went wrong. They always try to explain their point of views to others rather than pointing fingers at others. Intelligent people have learning attitude. They learn from their mistakes and this shows willingness to change and a good-hearted man. They try to fix their mistakes and don't waste time on blaming others. People who blame others have low self-esteem and defend their egos. Such people will never accept their faults no matter what happened and are insecure type of persons. Number 4 is I can't do this. Smart people are not afraid of accepting challenges, rather challenges excite them. They are not afraid of obstacles that might come in their way. They believe on the phrase that impossible is also saying that I am possible. If you think you can't do it, you will definitely can't do it. If you think you can do it, you will find a perfect way to do. They always have positive thinking and are not pessimists. Number 5, this needs to be perfect. Smart people know no one could be perfect. They never try things to do in a perfect way. Rather, they try their best to complete tasks on hands. They are not afraid of criticism. They accept it openly and take it in a constructive way. They make improvements in their work and learn from their mistakes. Perfectionism will only put them back and stop them from consistently moving forward. Number 6 is that's not my job. Smart people always goes just an extra. They always put little extra effort to do things. That's why they are able to achieve what they want from their lives. They don't go with majority. They find their ways, so they are trendsetters and leaders. Smart people are open to conversations. They talk openly if they feel that what they are being asked is inappropriate rather than to refuse it at spot. They handle it in a healthy way and develop understanding with their bosses. Number 5 is I will try. Smart people know the word try sounds tentative and it suggests a person's lack of confidence in his abilities for a particular task. They will take full ownership of their capabilities or will be honest about it. Number 8 is you look tired. Tired word look unappealing to many people. So smart people will never say this phrase because they knew it sounds rude. Tiredness is associated with messy hair, droopy eyes and trouble concentrating. So it doesn't sound appealing. So you can rephrase it in a way, is everything okay? This is appropriate and shows that you are genuinely concerned about the other person. So he will be open with you about his feelings. So this was for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.